Hey gamers, we all love that feeling of booting up a brand new game, graphics cranked up, ready to dive into a new adventure. But what happens when your trusty PC starts to chug, frame rates drop, and the immersive experience is replaced by frustration? Just like a well-oiled machine, your gaming PC needs regular maintenance to perform at its best. Neglecting your PC can lead to all sorts of problems, from annoying lag and stuttering, to overheating and even hardware failure. That's why we're diving deep into the world of PC maintenance, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to keep your rig running smoother than a perfectly executed combo. Trust me, a little bit of care goes a long way in ensuring countless hours of glorious, uninterrupted gaming. So grab your toolkits, both physical and digital, and let's get started. You might not see it as the biggest threat to your gaming dominance, but dust is a sneaky enemy. It silently infiltrates your PC case, settling on your components, especially those with fans like your graphics card and CPU cooler. Over time, this buildup acts like a blanket, trapping heat and preventing your components from cooling properly. This can lead to decreased performance, system instability, and even shorten the lifespan of your precious hardware. Imagine trying to run a marathon in a heavy winter coat. That's what it's like for your PC when it's clogged with dust. Regular cleaning is essential to combat this silent killer. We'll cover the right tools and techniques to banish dust bunnies from your rig in the next section. Fear not, fellow gamers, for keeping your PC clean doesn't require a hazmat suit or a degree in engineering. With the right tools, anyone can maintain their machine. A few simple tools can make a world of difference. Compressed air canister, your weapon of choice against dust. A few blasts from this will send those pesky particles packing. It's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places. Remember to use short bursts and hold the can upright to avoid any accidental moisture. This ensures that your components stay dry and safe. Microfiber cloths? Gentle on your components yet effective at wiping away dust and smudges. These cloths are designed to be soft and non-abrasive. Avoid paper towels as they can leave scratches and fibers behind. Microfiber cloths, on the other hand, are reusable and can be washed multiple times. Anti-static wrist strap. Static electricity is a silent killer of electronic components. This simple tool can save you from costly repairs. This strap grounds you, preventing any accidental discharges from frying your precious hardware. Always wear it when working inside your PC. Screwdriver set. Essential for opening your PC case and potentially swapping out components. A good set will include various sizes and types. A magnetic tip is a lifesaver for retrieving dropped screws. It ensures you don't lose any tiny parts inside your machine. These tools are your first line of defense in the battle against dust and grime. With them, you can keep your PC running smoothly and efficiently. Hardware is only half the equation when it comes to PC gaming. Your software environment plays an equally important role in determining your gaming experience. Think of it like this. Even the most powerful sports car won't perform its best with a flat tire or a dirty engine. Here are some software essentials for a smooth-running gaming PC. Antivirus software protects your PC from malware and viruses that can slow down performance and compromise your data. Disk cleanup tools. These tools help you reclaim valuable storage space by removing temporary files, clearing the recycle bin, and uninstalling unused programs. Driver updater ensures your graphics card, sound card, and other peripherals are running on the latest drivers for optimal performance and compatibility. Section 5. Keeping your drivers up to date. Speaking of drivers, these little pieces of software are crucial for your hardware and operating system to communicate effectively. Outdated or incompatible drivers can lead to performance issues, crashes, and all sorts of gaming headaches. Imagine trying to play a fast-paced shooter with a laggy mouse. Frustrating, right? Thankfully, keeping your drivers up to date is relatively simple. Device Manager on Windows provides a list of your hardware and allows you to manually update drivers. Manufacturer websites, like those for graphics card manufacturers such as NVIDIA and AMD, regularly release updated drivers for optimal performance with the latest games. Driver Updater software automates the process of finding and installing the latest drivers for all your hardware. Regularly updating your drivers is like giving your PC a performance boost, ensuring your components are running at their full potential. Section 6. Monitoring performance for peak gaming. To truly master your gaming destiny, you need to keep an eye on how your PC is performing under pressure. Monitoring key metrics like CPU and GPU temperature, usage, and frame rates can help you identify bottlenecks and diagnose issues. Think of it like checking the gauges on your car's dashboard. It gives you valuable insights into how your engine is performing. Several tools can help you monitor your PC's vitals. Task Manager on Windows provides a basic overview of CPU, memory, and disk usage. Performance Monitor on Windows offers a more detailed look at system performance, including real-time graphs and historical data. Third-party monitoring software provides advanced monitoring features, customizable dashboards, and even in-game overlays. Section 7. Popular tools for the discerning gamer. Now that you understand the importance of PC maintenance and the types of tools available, let's talk specifics. Maintaining your gaming rig is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. The right tools can make all the difference. Here are some popular examples of both hardware and software tools that gamers swear by. These tools are not just popular, they are essential for anyone serious about gaming. For hardware, the DataVac electric duster is a more powerful alternative to compressed air canisters. This handheld vacuum sucks up dust with ease. It's a must-have for keeping your PC clean and running smoothly. The iFixit Protect Toolkit is a comprehensive set of tools for all your PC building and repair needs. From screwdrivers to tweezers to spudgers. Whether you're upgrading your GPU or fixing a loose connection, this toolkit has you covered. For software, CC Cleaner is a popular disk cleanup tool that removes temporary files, cleans your registry, and manages startup programs. It's an excellent way to keep your system running fast and efficiently. MSI Afterburner is a powerful overclocking and monitoring tool for NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards, allowing you to fine-tune performance and track vital stats. It's perfect for gamers looking to push their hardware to the limit. AW Monitor is a comprehensive hardware monitoring tool that displays temperatures, voltages, fan speeds, and more for your CPU, GPU, motherboard, and hard drives. Keeping an eye on these metrics can help you prevent overheating and ensure your system's health. Section 8. Troubleshooting tips, because sometimes things go wrong. Even with the best maintenance practices, things can still go wrong. It's a frustrating reality that every computer user faces at some point. Whether you're a seasoned tech expert or a casual user, encountering issues with your PC can be incredibly stressful. Maybe your PC is randomly crashing, your internet connection is dropping out, or you're experiencing weird graphical glitches. Don't panic! These issues are more common than you might think, and there are steps you can take to troubleshoot them effectively. Here are some general troubleshooting tips to help you get back in the game. Restart your PC. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's often the simplest solutions that are the most effective. It's the classic IT solution for a reason. Restarting your computer can clear out temporary files and reset your system, which can resolve many minor issues. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Check your connections. Loose or disconnected cables can cause a variety of problems, from no internet connection to hardware not being recognized. Make sure all your cables are securely connected both internally and externally. Update your drivers. Drivers are the software that allows your hardware to communicate with your operating system. As mentioned earlier, outdated drivers can cause a myriad of problems. Keeping them up to date ensures that your hardware is running smoothly. Run a virus scan. Malware can lead to all sorts of performance issues. Regularly scanning your computer for viruses and malware can help keep your system running efficiently. A thorough scan with your antivirus software can help rule out this possibility. Google is your friend. The internet is a vast resource of information. Encountering a specific error message or problem, don't hesitate to search for it online. A quick Google search can often point you in the right direction. There are countless forums, articles, and videos that can provide solutions to common problems. Remember, you're not alone in this. Section 9. A well-maintained PC, your ticket to gaming bliss. Maintaining your gaming PC might seem like a chore, but trust me, it's a small price to pay for a smooth, enjoyable gaming experience. By investing a little time and effort into keeping your rig clean, optimized, and running smoothly, you'll be rewarded with improved performance. Say goodbye to lag, stuttering, and frame rate drops. Increased lifespan. Proper maintenance helps prevent overheating and other issues that can shorten the life of your components. Peace of mind. Knowing your PC is running in tip-top shape allows you to focus on what matters most, enjoying your games. So, make PC maintenance a regular part of your gaming routine. Your future self and your games will thank you.